Much like human beings, cats come in all shapes and sizes, each with their own distinct personality traits that set them apart from other cats. While we humans dote on our precious kitties like the unknowing slaves we are, it can be pretty hard to understand what they're thinking. One minute and they're all cuddly and affectionate, and then suddenly they move into predator mode, making you wish you lifted your hand off their fluffy belly sooner. Cute, cuddly psychopaths. Image, Myron Christina, Unsplash. Scientists at the University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University, UK have devised a test that reveals if your adorable feline is a psychopath. Based in 5 things: boldness, disinhibition, meanness, pet unfriendliness, and human unfriendliness. Once you complete the questionnaire, you'll be able to calculate your total score, or what's known as a cat tri-measure, to determine the level of psychopathy in your cat. The study, published in the Journal of Research and Personality, might seem trivial in nature, but it's meant to help people better understand their cats, and hopefully improve their relationships with them too. Image, Boden Komarivsky, Unsplash. Our cats and the differences in their personalities inspired us to start this research, said Rebecca Evans, a psychologist at the University of Liverpool. Personally, I am also interested in how owner perceptions of psychopathy in their cat can affect the cat-owner relationship. My cat Gumball scores relatively highly on the disinhibition scale, which means he can be quite vocal, proximity-seeking, and excitable. The full test requires a total of 46 responses, each offering a scale of 1 to 5 in terms of intensity in ascending order, namely, does not describe me cat on the lowest end, to describes my cat extremely well on the opposite end of the spectrum. It's important to note that the test was originally developed for humans, and this time has been adapted for use with cats. Know your cat. Image, Paul Hanaoka, Unsplash. Without spoiling too much of the test, some topics you can expect include things like your cat running around the house for no apparent reason, purring when they attack you or someone else, stealing food from you or other cats, displacing other pet cats from favorable positions like couches, beds, or sofas, and tormenting prey rather than killing them immediately. Before you start telling yourself that your cat is a pure, innocent little creature, Evans says all cats have some elements of psychopathy in them. This doesn't necessarily mean that they're out to murder you in your sleep. They can often be hereditary traits used for survival. It is likely that all cats have an element of psychopathy, as it would have once been helpful for their ancestors in terms of acquiring resources, for example food, territory, and mating opportunities, Evans said. You can take the test for yourself here. Read more life stories. Bomb squad called tar after man arrives with cannon shell stuck up his butt. Sporgov Santi, uncle-style PSAs are a blessed reminder to save water. Survey, 96% of single sporians end up with someone they don't expect. Cover image sourced from John PSD, Mashable Southeast Asia and Tudor Bashu, Unsplash.